Hello everybody, this is Yosuke Mashita from BBT-Bond Toastmasters Club. BBT-Bond Toastmasters Club will have a trial on an early birds meeting on 27th April, on Monday, next Monday. We will have a early birds meeting which focus on table topics. We just enjoy talking and express ourselves and talking about what is happening around us in these days. So I think many people are facing a drastic change situation, but I think we can overcome it by sharing our ideas and sharing our situation and learning from each other. So that's why we will set a very normal meeting. It's not a normal meeting, but focusing on the table topics so that everybody can speak. And at the morning we will learn from each other, because morning time is the most creative time, and almost everybody don't have any appointment in the morning, I think. So I think many people are in a remote work situation, so I think you don't have to commute to your office, so you have time in the morning. So just join us and let's have fun to talk and express ourselves. It's 1 hour. It's made in English, and we just enjoy to talk about. Just change your life at the morning. Join us, and we are waiting for you. Thank you very much.